Hey students, good morning all of you. In today's class we will discuss about your multiplexer. Previous class we have already discussed your adder, half adder, full adder and your subtractor, half subtractor, full subtractor. And in this class we will discuss about your multiplexer. What is a multiplexer? In every digital logic circuit, multiplexer is very important. Okay, in your multiplexer it is a combinational logic circuit. Multiplexer is a combinational logic circuit and it accepts several data inputs. Always it accepts several data inputs and selects one of many inputs. It accepts several inputs but select one input from the several data. Select one input from the several data and connect to the output. Clear? It is a combinational logic circuit and that always accepts several data inputs, selects one of many inputs and connect it to the output. Then one of many input is selected with the help of selection inputs. Those one of many inputs is selected by the help of selection inputs and it is also known as data selector. That selection line is also known as your data selector. And this is the logic circuit of the multiplexer. Here n is to 1 mux. Your mux is always denoted as n is to 1. Mux is always named as n is to 1. So how we can calculate the input lines? How we can calculate the input lines? Always remember there is a formula that is your 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. So your multiplexer minimum the n value is equal to 1. Minimum the n value is equal to 1. ये 1 से कम नहीं हो पाएगा. Okay, it cannot be less than 1. The minimum value of n is equal to 1. So 2 to the power 1, that is your 2 inputs. We have to give 2 input lines and your selector lines are always equal to the value of n. Suppose here is the n value is 1, then your selector line is equal to 1. Okay. Then suppose we are taking 2 is to 1 mux. 2 is to 1 mux. Then how the circuit will be designed? This input line's minimum value, n's minimum value must be 1. Less than 1 cannot be accepted. The minimum value of the input line or the n is equal to 1. So now we will calculate 2 is to 1 mux. Then this is your 2 is to 1 mux. How many input lines will be present here? As we know, the input lines, the minimum 2, we have to calculate the input 2 and from I0, we will denote it as I0, I1, 2 input lines and this line is symbolized always as I0 to In minus 1. Your n is 2 minus 1, 1. Then first we will take I0 and second is your I1. And how many select lines will be present here? Here the value of n is equal to 1. So one select line will be present here. Clear? Then here is your output. Y is your output. Clear? Your input line is always be taken as the minimum value of n is equal to 1. So 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2 and this will be denoted from I0. Then if we have 2 numbers of lines, then I0, I1. If we have 4 number of lines, then I0 to I3. That is denoted as I0 to In minus 1. N is your data lines value. Then how many select lines will be present? Your select lines can be present by the help of by the value of your small n's value. And what is the small n value is here in 2 is to 1 max? The small n's value is your 1. So here the select line is S0, one select line. Clear? And this is your output. Okay. Now we will draw the truth table. Now we will draw the truth table. Truth table of your 2:1 mocks. 2:1 mocks. Okay. Then how many select line? One select line. That is your S0 will be present here. This is your output. Okay. Your S0 is 0, 1, and your Y will take as how many outputs, how many inputs are there? 2, I0, I1. As we have told previous that the several data line selects one of many inputs and connect it to the output. That inputs will be connected at the output. So as input we are taking the selector line, and the input is जो I0 and I1 is connected with the Y output. Okay. So then Y is equal to S0 bar I0 plus S0 I1. This is your output of 2:1 mocks. Then we will draw the logic diagram, logic circuit diagram. This is your S0. This is your I0. This is your I1. Clear? Then S0 bar. This is your S0 bar. I0 bar. Bar means here is a inverter is connected here. Then this is your I1. And here I0 bar is not required. Okay. I0 bar is not required. If here the I0 bar is present, then we can draw it. Otherwise it is not necessary. Then S0 bar, I0. This is your S0 bar, and this line is your I0. These are connected in AND gate. Then next is your S0, I1. S0, I1. These two are connected in AND gate, and these both lines is connected with OR gate. This is your OR gate, Y output. Clear? This is the logic circuit diagram of your 2:1 mocks. Then और एक हम लोग देखेंगे ताकि थोड़ा अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा. 4:1 mocks. तो 4 is 2 to the power 2. So how many select line will be present? 2 select line. So n is to 1. Then input line is n. N is equal to 4. Then what is your diagram? This is your 4:1 mocks, and 4 input lines. I0 to I3, I0, I1, I2, I3. How many select lines? 2 select lines. S0, S1. Then 1 output. Clear? This step is completed. Then second step is your truth table. Truth table. Here is the truth table. S1, S0, Y. S1, S0, Y. Then 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is I0, I1, I2, I3. Then what is your output? So Y is equal to S0 bar, S1 bar, I0 plus S0, S1 bar, I1 plus S0 bar, S1, I2 plus S0 S1 I3। आप लोग इसको अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ऑर्डर भी लिख सकते हैं। अगर हम लोग अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑर्डर लिखेंगे तो क्या होगा, y इज इक्वल टू I0 S0 बार S1 बार प्लस I1 S0 S1 बार प्लस I2 S0 बार S1 प्लस I3 S0 S1। This is your final output of your 4:1 box. Now we will draw the logic circuit diagram. Now we will draw the logic circuit diagram. This is your I0, this is your I1, this is your I2. Let's draw again. This is your I0, this is your I1, I2, I3, I3. Then S0 S1, S0 S1. First is your I0 S1 bar. This is your S1 line. Here one bar is connected. This is your S1 bar. I0 S1 bar. Then S0 bar. S0 bar. These three are connected with your AND gate. Then I1 S1 bar S0. I1, here is your I1 S1 bar. Then S0 S0. These are in AND gate. Next is your I2 S1 S0 bar. I2 S1 S0 bar. Next is your I3 S1 S0. I3, here is your I3 S1, this is your S1, this is your S0. Clear? Then these four are connected with your OR gate because addition is there and addition is always your OR gate. OR gate. This is your Y output of 4:1 MOX. ये डायग्राम बनाते वक्त थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन जैसे नहीं होना चाहिए, इसको थोड़ा क्लीन करके बनाना ताकि इन्वर्टर और नॉन इन्वर्टर लाइनिंग में कोई कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए। तो दिस इज द सर्किट लॉजिक सर्किट डायग्राम ऑफ योर 4:1 MOX. दिस इज द आउटपुट. ओके, क्लियर? तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे 8:1 MOX एंड आज के क्लास में हम लोग पढ़े 2:1 MOX एंड 4:1 MOX. अगर ये क्लास में कुछ भी आप लोग को डाउट रहा तो आप लोग मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग देखेंगे 8:1 MOX एंड DMOX. ये सब हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. तो आज के क्लास के लिए बस इतना ही. अगर कुछ भी डाउट रहा तो आप लोग मुझे पूछ सकते हो. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद.